ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi ta ka Frank Motors. Kamon ban long slur, ringkat bat kaman ba Shongkhia. Ka Shong ha ka Jinglong scam, bat Jingjet bastard jongi. Ka Tata Harrier, ka Kali ka ban san ya ka Lintia jongpi, ka La ban long ka jongpi minta. Book ya ka Tata Harrier ha Frank Motors, lat korngi, leni phone hau number hinyo not sausan ar, not hinyo khandai hinyo lai.
Ka Sorkar jela kalamang pisa arpulai Klur tingka ban Pynlut pensep nagabenta ka jing penlong ya kalumpung yelakai Meghalaya Games kaban salong Tura West Garo Hills District kata naduk ka Khatsan tarik haduk ka arpau tarik ukela lengkot arhajar arpusau. Ha ka jing ya keren bat kilat patai kubor ha ka Khatsau tarik unok pra arhajar arpulai Menteri Ketenat Sports and Youth Affairs jong ka Sorkar jela uba Asyakliar Warjri. Ulaya tu bagani ka jing Pynlut kalong nakabenta ka jing sinapan bhai ya ki jaka yelek kai, ka bam ka di ya ki nong yelek kai, ki jaka sa bat ki wei de ki jing Pynlut.
The preparation is going on in full swing. All the accommodations are being renovated, all the sporting the places are being renovated. Everything is being done and we are sure that it will be a very successful Meghalaya Games. Just the athletes, we have about 3,000 plus, and with officials and everyone, I think about 3,300. That's the numbers we're looking at. We have 22 disciplines till date. Yeah, all across the state from various districts. So, like I said, we have more than 3,000 athletes attending. More of it are yet to be constructed, but we have a plan in place. As of now, I don't think so. We have received any funds from the center, but we're going with state scheme as of now.
But is the government of Meghalaya seeking the center support?
Yes, we are seeking center support. About more than 22 crores, I believe we'll touch 23. No, like I said, me myself personally have visited 6 to 7 times to make sure that all our athletes, their accommodation are being looked at, and recently we just had a review meeting. So everything is being done, everything is being prepared. So there's no need to worry about the accommodations. See, the objective is purely based on how to promote sports in our state, to give a chance to a youth to showcase their talent. And I believe with this, it will help them a lot. So that is one of the main objectives. And we want to host Meghalaya Games because we're giving them a platform to grow. And hoping that through this someday they'll emerge as, they can even take part in national games as well. See, it's a long list, but nothing new is being constructed. It's just that we have taken the venues of various schools and colleges. So just a touch-up of renovations is being needed. But there are a few stadiums that is being constructed, like the track and field that was constructed, I think, last year. So it will be done by this December itself. No, I believe it's not. See, we're spending so much to make sure that our athletes are being looked at the very best. In terms of food, in terms of transportation, in terms of accommodation, and everything. We're doing 22 disciplines, so I don't think so it's that much. But we want to give our youth the best. That's why we're spending.
Let's see.
No, this is included of all the renovations, constructions and everything. It's included. It depends on the disciplines. If we talk about football, we have the PA Summer Stadium. If we talk about basketball, we have the Don Bosco School. So all that, so various locations. It's just not in one location. Yes, the stadium is fully completed, but we have phase-wise. The first phase is completed. The second phase is being constructed. Kita bagi host kat ikan national games. Di bang sutu mangil ni haban long ready. Kita ni kalalom ka trial nam taj ni. Ka Meghalaya games ka bangin host ni long ka bahe ba. Ka national games. Di bang nung feel ha tu ni try na dog kita. Ni wan ra ki pa bahagi ba na komenta ka jing-jindiang hinam tu ka state bagi konsum laki juga. Ngalawan pe hidela di. Ngalalit hi habaro ki venue ya kabangin perlongi kita ki games. Ngalalit jungo hidela di bat ka jumpa kita biang lut parok ki venue. But kita di venues ki bam da biang hindai ngirang ya si pemat ka ban ya Pinbit pendian kita ki venues. Pendian.
Don't give up. Mind Krishna.
Akibat semua itu, dan kita ki venues yang ki school, lan ki colleges, tinggi pan ki kila ai tinggi ki penrenovate kemudian. Dia berkidan tangga track and field ke dia ba ni oba kan long ready minta December. Tangga tai ke bahaya and baru ki venues yang ki school ki colleges. Long ke research kemian ni dang page ba kumno min include kita te bengan da don ke information nang minta ngam padon nomor ni dang surai. Pangakwa bengin include ikijing la kai trai ki jungi agani
Kum ki ai.
Kum open. Thì ngam tip sa ka time garu ka deke is and it ya tung yeng kum open ti kadang ya mukir kidang wan amang ngidang sudah dry kan kam dei ka ba nila rai na dun ko kani ka dei bang ngidang sudah simil pa ko don ka process in sahaban pen di association kini kita kan ni pet ki don ki coaches ki don kini kita ki bang don bentalang kan ngari ki semakin pet ki bisa sampai ndi ba ka ong kan ni select menta kam dei ka bang select menta ndi ki don ki coaches ban pet ban identify even only ke sport ban non penting kena ban yo medal ni bang yo kadi ke ba mo ngatre ke sutu ni lada kadon ke football match menta pun ong kuno bal ati kena lupa ban job di hendrai kamut lada menti kena mangingin ong ki coach ni bakin coach ki kena boleh ni ong ki bakin coach bakin pet namar bang ki kwa ni angnut banging ki bakin job medal